Welcome. If you're tired of files automatically downloading in Google Chrome and want more control, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable auto downloads in Chrome. This will help you decide when and what gets saved on your device, instead of Chrome doing it for you. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Look toward the top right corner of the screen, and you'll see three small dots. These dots are the menu button. Tap on them to open a list of options. From this menu, scroll down and select Settings. This will take you into Chrome's main settings page, where you can manage everything from privacy to advanced controls. Next, inside Settings, look for Site Settings. Tap on it. This section allows you to adjust how websites behave when you visit them, including permissions for things like notifications, camera access, and downloads. Once you're inside Site Settings, scroll until you find the option labeled Automatic Downloads. This is the key area where Chrome manages how files are downloaded without asking for your approval. Now tap on Automatic Downloads. You'll see a toggle switch here. By default, Chrome might allow some websites to automatically download files in the background. This can sometimes clutter your device with unnecessary files. If you want to stop this, simply toggle the switch off. When you do this, Chrome will no longer automatically download content without asking you first. Instead, you'll get a prompt each time, allowing you to choose whether or not to continue with the download. It's a small change that gives you much more control over your browsing experience. And that's it. With just a few quick steps opening Chrome, heading into Settings, selecting Site Settings, tapping Automatic Downloads, and toggling off the option you've successfully disabled auto download in Google Chrome. Now you can browse with peace of mind, knowing files won't sneak onto your device without permission. Thanks for watching.